Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the blinking AI Catfather token. Ticker symbol is Catf. Now this token has a decent sized market cap, $7.4 million market cap, and they have a $6.4 million 24-hour trade volume. We're going to go over the Catfather token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Solana blockchain. So if you are looking for it, you can find it on SolScan. You can find the chart on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Now their webpage is blinkgenerator.com. And they have a section that says Our Blink Bot, so you can click on that. They have the Blink Generator. You select your wallet. It says developed by WIDI. And it says they've generated 476 blinks so far. So you basically, it says when you put connect wallet, you have the option to connect a Phantom or a Soulflare wallet. And they have here, it says the blinking AI Catfather by WIDI, an over limit grantee project by the Solana Foundation featuring first of its kind blink tools and apps. Generate your blink with artificial intelligence in a blink. And it says coming soon, but looks like it is available on their webpage. I haven't tried it out. Could be a beta version, but this token is doing very well. They have a $7.3 million market cap. Today they've had 20,153 transactions, $6.3 million 24-hour trading volume. Token price right now, 0.0073 USD. They have $468,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 99.66% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, they have been doing some marketing today on Dex Screener. It's got the 100 lightning bolts marketing boost ad button there. It's a new token as well. Just this pair was just created on Raydium 2 days, 20 hours ago. They have a quick audit here by Quick Intel Security. And it says contract verified, no mintable tokens, no honeypot, tax is not modifiable, no freezable contract, and no other risks. They also have a rug check we're going to check out in a second here. So far this token has 7,022 holders. Off to a great start here. 6 decimal places on this token. It says this token is a pump.fun token, which is a web page for creating Solana tokens. Looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary, and right now the current supply, 993,998,766 tokens. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. It is at the Blinking Cat. It says the Blinking AI Cat to buy, and then it has a link to a different Twitter, the one I was talking about, WIDI. At Blink, WIDIT is the other one. It says first of its kind Blink tools and apps, over limit grantee of Solana Foundation. Has a full link tree there. They just joined in December 2024, 4,663 followers, 41 tweets, blue verified checkmark, and it has the contract address right there as well. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, in the link tree, there is a buy button that'll take you to Dex Screener. There's a button in their link tree to buy a WIDI too. We could check that out in a second. So this token is available on Raydium, like I mentioned earlier. So first of all, you would need a wallet if you wanted to get this token, like a Soulflare or Phantom wallet, and those are the same wallets that you could use for the WIDIs and the Blink generator. So you could download a Soulflare or a Phantom wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you'd find Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your Sol for the Catfather token. You probably will not have to set slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. And this token may also be available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, and Orca. We're going to check out their rug check in a second here. Their Telegram is at the Blinking Catf, 1,204 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listing announcements, partnerships, memes, all that type of stuff. And yeah, so on there, if you want to get a WIDI, W-I-D-I, those seem to be NFTs, because it takes you over to Magic Eden, which is a page for buying Solana NFTs. magiceden.io/marketplace/WIDI. So you can check those out as well. That seems to be like the, I guess the father project of Catfather, because it says created by WIDI, and then it has the link over there. And yeah, so besides that, let's check out the rug check here. So it says risk analysis, good. It says LP locked in total, 59.75%, because there is some Meteora pools as well. And top holder has 4% of the tokens, and it's the creator. So the creator has 4.2% of the tokens. Raydium has 3%. Streamflow Vault 2%. And then the top holder, besides the creator, has 1.6%. So there's no giant whales. The biggest one is the creator with 4% of the tokens. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.